Hey everyone, mga Mards! Today I am going to try and review the two eyeliner products that I bought in Shopee a week ago. So we have here the Kimuse gel liner. So I have two shades, black and brown. And I also bought two eyeliner color pencil from Pudaeir. So we have one in sapphire and the other is bayberry. Okay, so we're going to swatch it here. Let's do the Kimuse gel liner first. Okay, so this is Kimuse in brown shade. So we are going to use this one. So I'm gonna set it aside. Okay, this one in black. Okay, and now let's try the two liquid eyeliners from Pudaeir. Let's start with the bayberry. Oh, so we're gonna use this one. I'm gonna set it aside. And then this is in the shade sapphire. Wow. Oh, blue. I really like it. Okay, so these are the shades, guys, and we are gonna use the brown and the bayberry. Okay, so before we use the eyeliners, let us first finish my makeup. So I already have foundation on my face, that's why I look so pale. So okay, let's start with our eyebrow first. So I'm using the drawing eyebrow from Etude House. So matagal na sa akin to. Siya nauubos. This was given to me by my cousin, Sally.girl. So, konti na lang. Alright, so I always use this one to soften a little bit. Okay. Alright. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Velvet Flush from Detail Cosmetics. This is so easy to put on your face. That's why I choose this one, because I want it to be simple, because we are trying here the eyeliner. All right, let's put some. So I always start on the outer part and then tsaka ko siya i-distribute paloob. Okay, so I'm just going to use my hand. So let's proceed with the eyeliners. So let us try the brown eyeliner of Kimuse. I'm going to make a wink eyeliner so that my eyes will open up and will be lifted. Alright? Okay, Nahirapan ako guys, nag-struggle ako kasi yung dulo niya hindi matulis. So, ang hirap gumawa ng wing eyeliner kapag hindi matulis yung dulo. Now, let's try the liquid eyeliner on my right eye. So, tapos na. This side is a Kimuse gel eyeliner. And on the other side is a Pudaeir liquid eyeliner in Bayberry. Let us test each of them, how long lasting they are, and if they are both smudge free. So let me finish first my makeup. For my contour, I'm gonna use Auto Contour from Ryce Cosmetics.
초등학교 영어 수업 시간에 배웠었던 현재 진행형 같아 하루에 10번 내 맘이 움직여
Highlight.
아름다운 느낌이 좋아
Okay, and then final powder natin guys. So, lipstick na lang ang kulang mga mards. So, I'm gonna use Ryce Cosmetics. And the shade is Bongacious. Okay, so I will not take off my makeup. And the time is 2:30 p.m. So, let's see. It's my first time to do this, guys. Let us wait for maybe 4 hours. So, babalik ako ng mga 6:30 to show you if my makeup is still here. So, time check, guys. It's 7:29. Okay, and as you can see, I still have it on my eyes. And medyo nag-smudge dito. And then here, hindi ko alam saan napunta yung iba. Ayan. So, meron pa rin naman. So, it's been 5 hours. Nag-edit kasi ako, kaya hindi ko agad napansin yung oras. And so far, okay naman. Kasi napansin ko kanina parang nangati yata ako. So, parang kinamot ko lang siya ng konti. But here, guys, ayan o, wala talaga. Hindi talaga siya, ano. Ito medyo nag-light. Okay, and this one, hindi talaga siya natanggal. Yung Kimuse, okay lang siya gamitin siguro within 4 hours lang. So, after 4 hours, mag-smudge na siya, lalo kapag nagpawis ka. Maganda yon, gagamitin ko lang yun kapag nag-film ako kasi yun, nag-film ako mga 1 to 2 hours lang. And yung Pudaeir, pwedeng gamitin pag umaalis, but it's in a different color. It's blue, it's pinkish, so malamang hindi ko yun magagamit sa labas. Anyways, that is my update of the Kimuse gel liner and the Pudaeir liquid eyeliner. This has been Ryce DG. I will see you again on my next one. Bye!